Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to manage your archived messages menu in WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, and with the amount of messages we receive every day, it's easy for our chats to become cluttered and disorganized. Archiving your chats is a great way to keep your inbox clean and tidy. It's also useful for keeping sensitive information private, as archived chats can only be accessed with a passcode or fingerprint. To get started, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, tap on Archive Chats. This will display a list of all the chats you have archived. You can tap on any chat to view its contents. If you want to return an archived chat to your primary chats inbox, you can just reply to the message. This will automatically unarchive the chat and move it back to your primary chats list. Alternatively, you can return to the list of archived chats, swipe left on the chat you want to unarchive, and then tap Unarchive. This will also move the chat back to your primary chats list. If you want to permanently delete a chat, swipe left on the chat, tap More, and then tap Delete. This will delete the chat and all its contents. Be careful when using this option, as deleted chats cannot be recovered. If you want to archive a conversation, just swipe left on the chat in your chats list and select Archive. This will move the chat to your Archive Chats menu, where you can access it later if needed. Managing your archived messages in WhatsApp is a great way to keep your messaging inbox organized and tidy. It's also a good way to protect your privacy and keep sensitive information from being accessed by others. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for your favorite apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.